From the lush canopy to the forest floor, the natural world is a tapestry of wonder and complexity. Each species, however small, plays a vital role in the delicate balance of its ecosystem. But sometimes, a seemingly insignificant creature can wreak havoc on an unimaginable scale. This is the story of the gypsy moth caterpillar, a tiny creature with an insatiable appetite that can defoliate entire forests. Native to Europe and Asia, this seemingly innocuous insect has become a notorious pest in many parts of the world, including North America. Join us as we delve into the fascinating and sometimes alarming world of the gypsy moth caterpillar, exploring its life cycle, its impact on the environment, and the ongoing efforts to control its spread. The gypsy moth caterpillar is the larval stage of the gypsy moth, a species of moth scientifically known as Lymantria dispar. These caterpillars are typically 2 to 3 inches long when fully grown, and they are easily recognizable by their distinctive appearance. Their bodies are covered in long, hair-like setae that give them a fuzzy appearance. They also have 5 pairs of blue dots, followed by 6 pairs of red dots running down their backs. These vibrant colors serve as a warning to potential predators, signaling that the caterpillars are not to be trifled with. The gypsy moth caterpillar's life cycle begins in the spring when the eggs hatch and the tiny larvae emerge. The caterpillars are incredibly hungry at this stage, and they begin to feed voraciously on the leaves of trees and shrubs. For over a century, the name gypsy moth has been used to refer to Lymantria dispar. However, in 2022, the Entomological Society of America announced a significant change. The moth would now be known as the spongy moth. This decision was made after careful consideration and consultation with experts in entomology, linguistics, and cultural sensitivity. The term gypsy has long been recognized as a derogatory and offensive slur against the Romani people, an ethnic group with a rich history and culture. Recognizing the importance of inclusivity and respect in scientific nomenclature, the Entomological Society of America opted for a new name that was both accurate and culturally sensitive. The new name, spongy moth, refers to the distinctive sponge-like egg masses laid by the female moths. This change reflects a growing awareness of the power of language and the importance of fostering a more inclusive and equitable scientific community. As the gypsy moth caterpillars grow, their appetites grow with them. They are incredibly efficient eating machines, consuming vast quantities of foliage in a relatively short amount of time. Their preferred diet consists of the leaves of hardwood trees, with oak, apple, and willow being particular favorites. However, when these preferred food sources are scarce, the caterpillars are not particularly picky. They are known to feed on over 300 different species of trees and shrubs, making them a serious threat to a wide range of plant life. The caterpillar's feeding frenzy can have a devastating impact on forests and woodlands. In years of high gypsy moth caterpillar populations, entire forests can be defoliated, leaving behind a stark landscape of bare branches. The gypsy moth caterpillar is not just a problem for North America, it is considered a pest species in many countries around the world. Native to Europe and Asia, the moth was accidentally introduced to North America in the late 1800s. Since then, it has spread rapidly throughout the eastern United States and Canada, becoming a major threat to forests and urban landscapes. The caterpillar's ability to defoliate trees weakens the trees, making them more susceptible to disease and pests. In urban areas, gypsy moth caterpillar infestations can be a major nuisance, as the caterpillars and their droppings can cover sidewalks, cars, and outdoor furniture. Unlike many other caterpillar species that feed at night, gypsy moth caterpillars are active during the day. This makes them easier to spot, but it also means that they are exposed to a wider range of predators, including birds, insects, and small mammals. However, the caterpillars have developed a number of defenses to protect themselves from these predators. Their hair-like setae can irritate the skin and mucous membranes of potential attackers, and they are also capable of regurgitating a foul-tasting liquid. Despite these defenses, gypsy moth caterpillars still fall prey to a variety of predators, and these natural predators play an important role in keeping caterpillar populations in check. The gypsy moth caterpillar, a tiny creature with an insatiable appetite, serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of the natural world. While its voracious feeding habits can have devastating consequences for forests and ecosystems, it also plays a role in the intricate web of life, serving as a food source for various predators. The ongoing efforts to control its spread through both natural and artificial means highlight the delicate balance we strive to maintain between protecting our environment and managing the impact of invasive species. As we continue to learn more about this fascinating and sometimes destructive creature, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity of the natural world and the importance of responsibility.